Hello students, good morning. Students, today is 21st October 2020. Your chapter 6 decimal numbers was going on. In the last class I have finished C part of question number 4. So there is only one part of question number 4 is remaining in exercise 2, that is the D part. So today I want to solve it. So look here, in this question it was given that write the fractional and decimal expanded form, and the D part has been given 23 whole number 567 upon 1000. So first we will convert it in the decimal form. So for that we will convert it in the improper fraction. So it means that your fraction has been given 23 whole number 567 upon 1000. So first you will multiply 23 into 1000, then you will add 567 on the multiplication answer. So it means 23 into 1000 plus 567 upon 1000. Okay, so then you will, when you will multiply, then you will find out 23,000 then plus 567 upon 1000. Then after that you will got 23,567 upon 1000. Okay, so now you can convert it in the decimal form. Okay, in the rough column you will divide numerator with the denominator. So 1000 and 23,567, it will be divided by 2 times. So the remaining number is 356. Then you will be noted down 7 here. It will be divided by 3 times. So 3. So the remaining number is 567. You will put here decimal, then increase 1 0. 1000 5s are 5000. Then the remaining number 670. Then you have already put the decimal, then you can increase 1 0 here. 1000 6 are 6000. Then 700. Then 1 0 you can increase it here. So 1000 7 are 7000. So you have got the number in the decimal, that is you can write it here 23.567. Okay, now it has been converted in the decimal form. Now we can write it in the fractional form. In the fractional form, the number you have got it in the decimal, that is 23.567. So first you will write it and on the basis of the place value system. So you know about it, before the decimal there are the 2 digits, that is 3 and 2. 3 is the ones number and 2 is the tens number. So here you will write 3 is equal to 3 ones. Sorry, first you will write 2 tens, because there are the 2 numbers. So here you are 2 tens plus 3 ones plus 5. 5 has been given after the decimal, so it is written on the 5 tenths plus then 6 hundredths plus 7 thousandths. Okay, so on the basis of that everything we will write 2 plus 2 tenths has been given, so you can write 20 plus 3 plus 5 upon 100, 5 upon 10, sorry, 5 upon 10 plus 6 upon 100 plus 7 upon 1000. Okay, so it has been converted in the fractional form. So in this question it has been also asked about that, convert it in the decimal expanded form. So look here also. In decimal expanded form, we can write it here. We have got the number 23.567. So on the basis of that everything you can write it 23.567. So it means you can show it. 2 has been given in the tens place. So here we will put 2 0, it means 20. Then plus 3. Then decimal 5 you can put it here as like 0.5. Okay, because before the decimal there is no number, then you can put the 0 here, plus after decimal how many digits are here till 6, 1 and 2. So decimal 0, 6, Okay, you can put it here 0, it means 0.06 plus 0.007. So that is your answer. You will write the answer, both the answer you can write it here, plus answer number 1. First you will write 20 plus 3 plus 5 upon 10 plus 6 upon 100 plus 7 upon 1000. It has been given in the fractional form. Here you can write in fractional form. Okay, that is your first answer. And in the second, you have got the answer 20 plus 3 plus 0.5 plus 0.06 plus 0.007. That is in the decimal expanded form. So here you write in decimal expanded form. So students, this was the last question of exercise 2 of chapter 6. Now I will start exercise 3 of this chapter. Okay, students, before starting exercise 3, I want to tell to you one example also. Here example number 1 has been given. 5.63 and 5.630 are equivalent decimal or not. So look here. First this it is necessary to understand what is equivalent decimal. Decimals that have the same value are called equivalent decimal. यानी क्या decimals की जो value होगी वो same होगी, so that is called a equivalent decimal. So here you can see it 5.63 and 5.630 both have the equivalent place value. Okay, as like here it has been given, but 5.63 and 5.630 are not equivalent decimal. अगर आपका 5.63 आ रहा है और 5.630 है, so both are the equivalent decimal. But अगर बीच में हमारा 0 पुट हो जा रहा है, 0 लग जा रहा है, so that is not equivalent. And अगर स्टार्टिंग में लग जा रहा है 63 के पहले, so that is also not equivalent. So if their values are same, so that type of the decimals are called equivalent decimals. Okay, so here example number 2 has been also given. Nalin says his height is 1.23 meter. Malini says her height is 1.230 meter. Compare their height. So here you can see it here. Decimal 23 have the same place value that has been given in the decimal 230. So it is related from the equivalent decimals because their height are same. So here you can tell it about that. Nalin and Malini have same or equivalent height on the basis of the equivalent decimals. Clear, students? Now after that it has been given like and unlike decimal. Like decimal क्या होते हैं, unlike decimals क्या होते हैं? So here the definition has been given. Decimals with the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. Okay, decimals जिनकी क्या सेम प्लेस वैल्यू होती है decimals के, that is like decimals. So here it has been given as like this. These decimals have 1 decimal places, 2.5. decimal के बाद बेटा कितने डिजिट है, 1 है, and 0.8. here also decimal के बाद 1 डिजिट है. 10.6 decimal के बाद क्या है, 1 डिजिट है. So that is based on the like decimals. Okay, then after that decimals with different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. Different number of the places होंगे, decimal के बाद different numbers होंगे, so that is called unlike decimals. As like here example has been given, these decimals have different decimal places, as like 3.2. After decimal only 1 digit is here, so and 0.54 here, 2 digit is here, 15.534 here, 3 digits are here. So these are based on the unlike decimals. So I think now it is understand here 1 digit, here 2 digit, and here 3 digits. So that is based on the unlike decimal, and where the decimals have the same digit, as like 1 है तो 1, 2 है तो 2, 3 है तो 3. So that is related from the like decimals. It means you can compare it. Okay. So now I want to start exercise 3rd. Okay. So students, this is your question number 1 of exercise 3. In this question it has been given, fill in the blanks with equivalent fractions. Okay, so here it has been given 1.2 is equal to 1.20, then is equal to, filling the blanks has been given. So students, I have told to you equivalent fractions means जब इसकी क्या value change ना हो, so you can also put it here 1.200. So that is also equivalent. Okay, then after that B part has been given 10.01 and is equal to has been asked, so you can also use 0 here, 10.010. Okay, after that number you will put the 0. Okay, then C part 0.90. Here 2 filling the blanks has been given. It means two equivalent fractions it has been asked. So 0.90 को बेटा आप 0.9 कहोगे, so that is same, that is equivalent. And if the 0.90 को आप 0.900 कहोगे, so it is also equivalent. Clear students? Now student, D, E and F part I am providing to you in your homework. So solve it in your homework. Okay. Now see the second question. In second question it has been asked about that put a tick on the like decimal. It has a 4 part A, B, C, D. So look the A part. In A part the numbers has been given 5.36 and 10.01. Students, I have already told to you what is like decimals. Decimals with the same numbers of decimal places are called like numbers. It means आफ्टर डेसिमल आपके पास अगर डिजिट जो हैं वो सेम प्लेस वैल्यू के हैं, सेम है, सो एट दैट टाइम दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन द लाइक डेसिमल. एज लाइक दिस यू कैन सी इट हियर. आफ्टर डेसिमल हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स आर हियर? 1 and 2 in the first number, and in the second number after decimal how many digits are here? 1 and 2. It means it is based on the like decimal because decimal के बाद हमारे क्या है? दो ही डिजिट्स हैं. ओके, दोनों नंबर में. सो इन द लाइक और अनलाइक डेसिमल यू विल कंपेयर 2 और मोर नंबर्स. आप लाइक डेसिमल या अनलाइक डेसिमल में क्या करते हो? आप दो या दो से ज़्यादा नंबर्स को कंपेयर करते हो. सो यू कैन सी इट हियर. इन दिस बोथ द नंबर्स हैव 2 digits after the decimal. So here you will write the solution. In the solution 5.36 and 10.01 is क्या? are like decimals. Clear? Okay. You can also write the definition also that note में लिख दीजिएगा बेटा. नोट में पॉइंट नंबर 1, decimals with the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. Okay, and in the second point you can write it here also. Decimal with different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. Okay students, so I think now it is clear how can you find out the like decimal number and how can you find out the unlike decimal number. Okay, now students see the B part. In B part the numbers has been given 1.01 and 1.100. Okay, so here you can see it here. In the first number after decimal there are the 2 digits. Decimal के बाद क्या? 0 है, then 1 है. And in the second number after decimal there are the 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so in this question it has been asked about that put a tick on the like decimal. Okay, so it means you will find out the that is the like decimal or not. So you can see it here. यहाँ 2 digits हैं, decimal के बाद यहाँ 3 हैं, so it is not like decimal, it is unlike decimals. Okay, as you know decimals with different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. So here you will write 1.01 and 1.100 are not like decimal. Okay, so one thing more, tick के लिए आपको क्वेश्चन में कहा था. So A part is the like decimal, so here you can put the tick mark also, and it is not like decimal, so here you will not put any mark. Clear? Now C part and D part you will solve in your homework. In C part you can see it here. The numbers has been given 9.003 and 10.030, and in D part the numbers has been given 35.45 and 35.342. Okay, so these two parts you will solve in your homework. Clear students? So students, see the question number 3. In question number 3 it has been given change into like decimal. In third question there are the 4 part A, B, C, D. Now look the A part. In A part you can see it here in the first number the number has been given 0.8 and in the second number it has been given 9.09. So you know about that. Like decimal क्या होते हैं, डेसिमल के बाद के जो डिजिट्स होते हैं वो इक्विवेलेंट होने चाहिए 2 और मोर नंबर्स के. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड like decimal. It means digits जो हमारे वो equivalent आए. So here you will write convert the first one decimal. Here we have taken the one decimal to decimals with 2 decimals. ओके, हियर 1 डेसिमल है तो हम इसको किस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, 2 डेसिमल में. प्लेसेस बाय फाइंडिंग इक्विवेलेंट decimals. Okay, for example here it has been given 0.8. So how can you convert it in the 2 decimal number, 0.80? Okay, because another number has been also given with 2 digits after decimal. So here it has been converted now 0.80. So you can write it here 0.80 and 9.09 are like decimals. Now it has been converted. Clear students? B part I am providing to you in your homework. In B part the numbers has been given 23.6 and 8.234. So that question you will solve in your homework. Now look the C part. In C part the numbers has been given 2.3, then 2.03, then 20.003. So how can you convert it? Look here. Convert the first 2 decimals with 3 decimal places. Convert the first 2 decimals with 3 decimal places by finding equivalent decimals. Okay, here the numbers has been given. Here 1 digit has been given after decimal. Here 2 digits has been given. Here 3 digit has been given. So we will convert all the both decimals in 3 digit decimals. Okay. So look here, how can we convert? Here 2.3 has been given. So when you will convert it, so it has been converted 2.300. Then another number is 2.03 has been given. So when you convert it, then you can find 2.030. And you can see it here, the third number is already in 3 digits after decimal. So now you can write it here 2.300, 2.030 and 20.003 are like डेसिमल्स. आपको बेटा ये ध्यान रखना है, डेसिमल के बाद के नंबर को ऐड करना है 0, डेसिमल के पहले वाले किसी नंबर में नहीं. Here 2 has been given, here 2 has been given, here 20 has been given, लेकिन डेसिमल के पहले किसी भी डिजिट को आपको टच नहीं करना है. You will convert that number in the like decimal after the decimal numbers. Okay, so I think students now it is clear. Students, D part I am also providing to you in your homework. In D part the numbers has been given 3.8, then 12.426, then 31.67. So that question you will solve in your homework. Now students, your exercise 3rd has been finished. Okay, now students, before starting exercise 4 I want to tell to you some examples related from exercise 4. Here the topic is related from the comparing and ordering decimals. It means you will compare it and order it. So look here what has been given here. When you want to convert the number, so how can you convert it, which type of the steps you will follow? First compare the whole number part. The decimal will the greater, whole number is greater. Means here the number has been given 12.567, first number has been given, and another number has been given 9.879. So you can see it here 12 has been given before decimal and 9 has been given here before decimal. So you can see it here, 12 is more than the comparison of 9. So that number, first number, is greater than the comparison of the second number. Okay. Then second thing has been given, second step, if the whole number parts are equal, compare the 10th digit, the decimal with the greater 10th digit is greater. ओके यानी अगर आपका बिफोर डेसिमल का नंबर जो है वो हमारा क्या इक्वल है, लेकिन उसके बाद आपको क्या कंपेयर करना होगा, डेसिमल के बाद के डिजिट को, दैट इज कॉल्ड 10th डिजिट. ओके, सो हियर यू कैन सी इट, द फर्स्ट नंबर इज 8.950 एंड द सेकंड नंबर इज 8.895. So you can see it whole number, it means before the decimal number is equivalent, 8 has been given here, 8 has been also given here. Okay, so you cannot compare with it. So after decimal you can see it, here the first number has been given 9, after decimal that is the 10th number, 10th digit, and here it has been given 8. So you know about that 9 is greater than 8, so it means your first digit is greater here. Okay, then your third step, if the whole number part and 10th digits are equal, compare the hundredth digits. hundredths आपको डिजिट कंपेयर करनी है, जैसे क्या है 5.763 दे रहा है आपको, देन 5.724 दिया है आपको. सो फर्स्ट हमने देखा होल नंबर इक्वल है, देन 10th डिजिट्स भी इक्वल है 7, हियर द hundredth डिजिट क्या है 6 है, यहाँ क्या है 2 है. सो यू नो अबाउट दैट 6 इज ग्रेटर देन 2, सो इट मीन्स दैट इज ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर. क्लियर. देन आफ्टर दैट अगर आपका hundredth नंबर इक्वल है, देन आप क्या देखोगे, थाउजेंड्स डिजिट्स देखोगे. सो हियर 19.194 हैज बीन गिवन एंड हियर 19.190 हैज बीन गिवन. सो थाउजेंड्स डिजिट इज 4 because 19.19 and 19.19 both are equal here, but the 1000 digits 4 is not equal here. So it means that number is greater because 4 has been given here. Clear, students? You can see the example number 1. Example 1 has been given, compare 32.69 and 32.694. आपको क्या करना है, इन दोनों डिजिट को कंपेयर करना है, 32.69 को और 32.694 को. सो लुक हियर, फर्स्ट यू विल कन्वर्ट बोथ द नंबर्स एज like decimal. Okay, so here you can see it, after decimal only one digit is here, and here after decimal there are the 3 digits. So first you will convert it in the 3 decimal number. So convert into like decimal, it means 32.69 क्या कहलाएगा बेटा आपका, 32.690. So you can compare it 32.690 with 32.694. So 32 is equivalent, 6 is equivalent, 9 is also equivalent, while that 0 is not equivalent. 0, it means 1000 digits in the first number is 0 has been given, and in the second number the 1000 digits has been given 4. It means which is greater? So you know about that 32.694 is greater. Okay, so here the whole part, 10th digits and 100 digits are the same. Compare the thousandth digit, since 4 is greater than 0. Okay, 4 is greater than 0, therefore 32.694 is greater than 32.690. So you can write it here, answer 32.694 is greater than 32.690. Clear, students? If you have any doubt, then you can also ask the query with me without any hesitation. Okay, so now students, I want to continue the exercise 4. I want to start exercise 4. So in the next class I will start it. In the mean duration, if you have any doubt, then you can also ask the query with me in the query period. Okay.